Well, one day I walk into the living room and I smell nail polish and I'm like, where is that from? Where is that from? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Jessie Davis. Today you get a bonus video, and men, before you go, these make great gifts. Today I'm going to show you how I do my nails. Many of you have been asking me where I get my nails done, and I actually refuse to go somewhere to pay to get my nails done. I just use 100% nail polish strips called Color Street. They are stick-on really fast, no dry time. It solves a big problem for me. Before Color Street, I never did my nails, and now I can enjoy having a little femininity. Is that a word? So it's kind of like my thing that's all my own. I'll go ahead and show you. Come on. All right, so here we are. I think I'm gonna do this red because Valentine's Day is coming. What I really love about these is they are travel ready. You can grab a pack and everything you need is in here. You've got an alcohol prep pad, which is just alcohol, so it gets rid of any oils or lotions that are on your nail that would inhibit the strip from sticking, and a little nail file, and then your strips of color. And there's even a little instruction manual in here. So I literally can grab a set of nails and walk out the door and do my nails while I'm riding in the vehicle. So easy. But my favorite time to do them is right after a shower, of course, when my hands are dry. But before you do your nails, you want to wash your hands, trim, file, do all those things before you start doing your nails. Once you get your pack open, the next thing you want to do is open your little alcohol pad. So I have already washed and filed and done all the things. And this is just rubbing off any excess oils or lotions, because I wear lotion a lot. My hands are always doing work. I'm always washing my hands, so my hands get really dry. And I'm just rubbing, making sure I pay close attention to the nail that is close to my skin. And they have a little perforated side, which you just have to find. Here it is, usually by the big toe. And these can go on your toes or your fingers, either way. And they do have pedicure ones too, and those you can wear in your fingers too. Oh my gosh. So usually I don't have such a hard time getting them out. But as you can see, we have 2 strips of strips. So there's 16 double-ended strips here. And I usually just use one. So I'll just stick these guys back in here. And I start with my pinky and go to my thumb, because I'm going to be using my thumb as my tools. And you don't want to be using your thumb when you just put nail polish on them. And I know that this pinky strip is a little too small, but if I turn it around, it's a little bigger. So first you peel off the cellophane, and then you lift the color off of the white backing, and then take the color by the center and lift off this tab. And line it up along your cuticle, but not on your skin. And then tuck in the sides. And press, rub it. And that's it. That one's done. I might use this as I might layer, kind of double up. So again, lift up the cellophane top, lift the color off the white backing, grab it by the center on the edge, lift off the tab, and then apply. And I'm gonna put this guy on this pinky. I like to double layer sometimes, especially if I'm working hard. Just makes them last longer. Usually they last 10 to 14 days. Sometimes longer. And see how soft they are? They just tear. It's a pretty color. So I know that this one fits my pointer. And if you don't have it where you want it, you can lift it up before you really commit and push down. You can lift it up. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed this up and just do the rest of my nails. As you can imagine, I grew addicted to these nail polish strips, and to support my habit, I did decide to become a stylist. And you know, it's gone really well. I only work on my business maybe 5 to 10 hours max a week, and it's been a way that I've been able to stay home, homeschool, homestead, take care of the house, and provide for our family. Now here I'm going to use my thumb that I just applied polish to, just being careful not to smudge it because it is soft even though it's dry. Well, 95% dry. So I'll use the nail file. When you file the color off, you want to do it in a downward or sideways downward motion so you don't lift the color. I'm trying really hard not to use my just painted nail. I do see on my right thumb the polish did lift up after using my thumb. When that happens, you just continue to push it down until you're all done. Then I go over every nail with the alcohol pad, and it helps dry and cure them better. And I'll show you a little picture here that all my nails look totally fine, and that lift up spot on my thumb totally just dried to my nail completely and looks great. And look at that, it took me 9 minutes to do glitter nails all by myself. That is it. Beautiful. I love this red, it's very pretty. And as you can see, I have so many left over. And I'm gonna seal this up with a flat iron or my food saver and keep it for next time. Also, they're dry. I can go fold clothes, I can do my hair, I can go to the bathroom, I can reach in my purse for something, and I don't have to worry about smudging them. I could go to bed and not have to worry about sheet marks in my nails. They're done. I can go do stuff, but not soak in the shower or soak in the bathtub for about 30 minutes to a full hour or so. Don't change a tire or build a chicken coop. You know, wait for those hard labor things to do. Don't go do dishes for about 30 minutes or so, but that's it. And they'll last for about 10 to 14 days. All right, so what do you think I think they're gorgeous. They're so easy and they last a while. Great price point, and I don't have to worry about spilled nail polish all over the house. I will never forget the moment that I said to myself, I'm gonna throw away all of the liquid nail polish. Kept putting it off. Well, one day I walk into the living room and I smell nail polish and I'm like, where is that from? Where is that from? And it was my son behind the chair putting nail polish on his toes. It was green. But anyway, I don't want to worry about that anymore because I did finally throw away all of the liquid nail polish. Thank you guys so much for watching and being here. Bonus videos I really wasn't planning on doing, but I really wanted to answer some questions that you had about my nails. I hope you guys liked this video. If it was helpful, please give me a thumbs up. If you've heard about Color Street before, let me know down in the comments. If you haven't, if you haven't, I've put down in the description how to get a free sample. Yay. Thanks again for coming by. Bonus video number 2 for the week. Usually just do 1 video a week for you guys, but you're gonna get 3. And hopefully you did not miss how I take off my nail polish in a previous video. I'll try to link it up above, whatever side that it appears up on. I will link that video for you. Consider subscribing if you are interested in anything homemaking and embracing the season of our life. See you guys next time. Along with my day, making bread, I have cute nails. I'm cleaning the house, I have cute nails. I'm homeschooling and I have cute nails. So it's kind of like my thing that's all my own.